Hi everybody, my name is Fu Li. In this lesson, you are going to learn 9 Chinese characters and words or phrases made up of these characters. Besides, you will also learn about 5 new compound strokes and the third way of creating Chinese characters. Let's learn 3 characters first. Mu, Lin, Sen. What can you tell from them? You probably can find that they share the same component. Mu means tree or wood. It's a pictographic character made by outlining the rough shape of a tree. Lin is composed of 2 trees, which means woods. Sen is composed of 3 trees, which means forest. Let's learn to write them. Mu, 横 竖 撇 捺 林 横 竖 撇 点 横 竖 撇 捺 森 横 竖 撇 捺 横 竖 撇 点 横 竖 撇 捺. Please pay attention. When mu works as a component on the left side of a character, the last stroke of mu should be written as 点 instead of 捺. Now let's learn a word. 森林. 森林 means forest. We have learned sen means forest by itself, and lin means woods by itself. But neither of them can be a word on their own. Many Chinese words are combinations of 2 or more Chinese characters. Now let's learn these 3 characters. 月 日 明. This character is 月, and this is the Asian form of 月. It represents the moon. So 月 means moon, but it also means month. For example, 1月 2月 3月 10月 11月 12月. This character is 日. The Asian form of 日 was a circle with a short line in it, which represents the sun. So the original meaning of 日 is sun, but another common meaning of it is day of month. For example, 1月1日 2月10日 12月31日. This character is 明. The Asian form of 明 is like this. It contains both the sun and the moon in it and conveys the meaning of bright. Let's learn a word with this character. 明天. Can you guess what it means? 明 is bright. 天 is day. The real meaning of 明天 is tomorrow. We do hope that tomorrow will be a bright day. Let's see how to write these characters. 月 has 4 strokes. 撇 横折钩 横, 横. 横折钩 is a new compound stroke and should be written in one stroke. 日 also has 4 strokes. 竖, 横折钩, 横, 横. 明 is written from left to right, so we write 日 first. 竖, 横折, 横, 横. Then write 月, 撇, 横折钩, 横, 横. Please pay attention. The second stroke of character 日 is 横折钩. But when 日 works as a component on the left side of a character, the second stroke should be written as 横折 instead of 横折钩. You will see 横折 in many other characters. The last 3 characters we are going to learn today are 女, 子, and 好. This character is 女, and this is the Asian form of the character 女. It represents a woman who is sitting calmly on her knees with hands folded. So the meaning of 女 is female, but it also means daughter. This character is 子. The Asian form of 子 looks like a baby. You can see the head and the arms of the baby. So the common meaning of 子 is baby or child, but it also means son. This character is 好, which means good. You can see the character is a combination of 女 and 子. The Asian form of the character is like this. Why did Asians make this character to mean good? There is one explanation that a woman gave birth to a child, and the birth of new life is always good. Let's see how to write these characters. There are 3 new compound strokes in them, which are 撇点, 横钩, and 弯钩. Let's write them one by one. 女, 撇点, 撇, 横, 子, 横钩, 弯钩, 横, 好, 撇点, 撇, 横, 横钩, 弯钩, 横. Please note that when 女 appears on the left side of a character as a component, this stroke 横 should be written shorter. Now pause your video and try to read some words for yourself. Let's read them together. 女人 literally means female person. The real meaning is woman. 子女 here 子 means son, 女 means daughter. So the meaning of 子女 is sons and daughters, or children. 好人 good person. Today we have learned 9 characters. The characters above are all pictographic characters. They were created by roughly sketching physical objects to represent concrete things. These 4 characters are associative characters. Associative characters were created by combining 2 or more pictographic or indicative characters together to express a new meaning. So far, we have learned pictographic, indicative, and associative characters. In the next lesson, we are going to learn the last type of character, which is pictophonetic character. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. See you next time.